Today we are going to continue writing words with ank, ink, onk, unk. The first word is sink, sink, ink, sink, ink, sink. Look out the kitchen sink. Number 2 is monk, monk, unk, monk, unk, monk. Number 3, crank, crank, ank, crank, ank, crank. Crank. Number 4, slink, 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 ink, slink, slink. Number 5 is a 2-syllable word. Okay, the word is inkwell. Inkwell. The first syllable is ink. Ink. The second syllable is well. Well. W-e-l. Well. W-e-l. Well. Inkwell. Let's read through the words we wrote today. Sink, monk, crank, slink, inkwell. Great job.